Hey everyone, so here is new feature in Slack, which is called Slack Connect. So basically the idea is that you can work with people outside of your Slack community. So you can just invite some people from other companies and organizations and either DM them or create a specific channel. So if you just want to start a direct message, it's available on all free plans. You don't need to pay for that feature. If you want to create a channel, then yeah, it's a paid feature. So for example, if I want to send a DM and someone at another company, I can just invite someone and just then send invitation. And there you have it. So everyone can use this feature. All members, but not guests, available on all plans, including free. So invitations expire after 14 days. It is possible to restrict Slack Connect permissions. You can add external people you have started a DM with to a group DM. So yeah, and then you just send DM invitation and someone else can accept DM invitation. So that's how it works. If you want to create a channel, then you can work together with up to 20 different companies in that channel. So that's pretty cool. But then that's a 30-day free trial. And then, to start working with teams at other companies, create a channel. Trial lasts through like 30 days. So that's that. And then you can just create a Slack Connect channel. So yeah, so that's how it works. Of course, admins are kept in the loop and all of that. But anyways, there you have it.